So this is our performance task from yesterday, and I want us to go over, at this point you should have spent about 10 minutes working on this. So some friends are camping near the shore. One friend suggests that they go fishing. 6 boats are available at the campsite. Each boat holds 2 people, and the friends are excited because this is exactly how many they need. The rule on this lake is that each person can only catch 3 fish. How many fish did the friends catch that day if each friend caught the limit? Show all your mathematical thinking. So what you need to do first is make sure that you take notes about the rules of this problem. So what I would take notes of is that there are 6 boats available at the campsite, which I found right there. And then I'd write each boat, the keyword each, boat holds 2 people. Each boat holds 2 people. And the friends are excited because that is exactly how many they need. The rule on this lake is that each person can catch only 3 fish. Each person can catch 3 fish. How many fish did the friends catch that day if each friend caught the limit? How many fish did the friends catch that day if each friend caught the limit? So what is my question? I want you to think about, what am I trying to solve here? And the question is, how many fish did the friends catch? It says that each friend caught the limit. Each friend caught the limit. And I'm going to think, what is my limit? I wrote it as a rule. My limit is that each can only catch 3 fish. So you could have solved this in a couple of different ways, but how I would solve it is first by drawing a picture. What would I draw a picture of first? I want to figure out how many boats there are, because that's what I can put people in. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boats. Each boat holds 2 people, so I'm going to draw the people inside. And I'm just going to do it quickly. I'm not going to draw real people because that's going to take a lot of time. So instead I'm just going to draw, those are my 2 people in each boat. So I want to make sure I have 2 in each. What's my next rule? So I have 6 boats. Each boat holds 2 people. And then it says each person can catch 3 fish. So how am I going to figure out that each person can catch 3 fish? So I know on this boat, and these are going to be my fish. Again, I don't want to take too much time. 1, 2, 3 fish for that person. 1, 2, 3 fish for that person. So now I'm going to think about how many fish am I putting in each boat, because I'm making sure that each person caught the limit, which is 3 fish. So you can see that right here. So my one person that caught 3 fish, my other person on this boat that caught 3 fish. So my question is, how many did the friends catch? I forgot the word. Fish. How many fish did the friends catch? I want you to think, am I going to count the people? Or am I going to count the amount of fish that they caught? Because here I would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But I don't want to count the people because I'm only trying to figure out how many fish that they caught. So I would count my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fish from that boat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fish in this boat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another 6. So 6 in each boat. I'm counting only my fish. So I have 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, and 6. So I could do this a couple different ways. I see an equation here. I could do 6 times 6 because it's 6 times equals, or I can skip count. So I do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I'm doing this so that way I'm making sure I'm keeping track of my skip counting. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So now I'm going to be looking at this. I'm going to be thinking, what is 36? I'm going to think, what does this 36 mean? Is it 36 people? Is it 36 boats? No, I'm going to figure out that there's 6 fish that were caught on each boat because each person caught 3 of them. So I would say 36 fish, and to write my sentence, I would write, to answer, how many fish did the friends catch that day if each friend caught the limit? The friends, I'm rephrasing my question, the friends caught 36 fish that day if they each caught the limit. I showed my work, or I wrote my rules, I drew my picture, I wrote an equation, and I wrote a sentence explaining what I was thinking. There is another way that you could have solved for this, and you could have made it more like a table. So if I was going to do it that way, I'd write boat, number of people, and that's number of people in each boat, and how many fish. So if there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boats, making sure my table is organized so I don't get confused. There's 2 people on the boat, and they caught 3 fish each, so that's 6 fish. My other boat, there's 2 people on the boat, they caught 3 fish. Now it equals 6 fish total. 2 people, 3 fish, and that's 6. 2, 3 people, 3 fish, and that's 6. 2 people, 3 fish, and that's 6 total, and so on. So again, I would be able to skip count and figure it out just how I did before with 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times.